god! What?
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Buki. So today I'll be doing an unboxing and a review for you guys. The brand is Marcel. They are Paris-based cosmetics brand. So they sent me some goodies to show you lovelies, and also, you know, yeah, I've opened the box. This is what the package comes in. So I've opened the box, and well, in the box I got these two bubble envelope nylon kind of packaging, and this is the name of the company. Can you guys see that? And the packaging makes so much sense, you guys. Like, fragile is written here. Keep away from it or heated surfaces. So yeah, it's got those, you know, warning fragile label going on there, which that's really cool. And yeah, let's open it up and see what we got. Wow. Oh my goodness. Like, this packaging, it's everything. This packaging is life. It's a velvet packaging, not normal paper. You know, when you buy lipstick, they put it in a paper. My favorite color. My favorite color. Oh my god, oh my god. So let me get everything out of the box and come back, you guys. And I mean luxury. This lip is a luxury. What? I'm coming. Just stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Don't go. I'm gonna show you all everything I've got from this company. Marcel, you did your girl some good, honey. Let's take a minute. Wait, you guys. I'm gonna put everything in that brown box and show you what I got. Like, this company is Buki, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, let's move on. So these are the goodies. Oops, did I just drop one? I got the matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, highlight palette, and eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. So, and when you bring it out of the box, this is what it looks like. And you open it up, and you open it up like so. So it's like your everyday neutral palette. If you are the type that doesn't do too much on the eyes, this is for you. How luxury can makeup line be? The packaging alone, it's life. It's breathtaking. Like, honestly, I can't just stop talking about the packaging, right? Because the packaging is velvet. They also sent me the highlighter palette. So it opens up like so. Let me cover that up. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is the mascara, volumizing mascara. So they sent me 13 liquid lipsticks. The colors are everything. So yeah, and also I'm not sure, is this matte? They also sent me 8 matte lipsticks. So yeah, let's go through all the lipsticks. Let's do some swatching. The names are written here, so let me do some swatching. They are so pigmented. Like, can you see that? Let me swatch another one. You see that? Another one. The colors are just like your everyday makeup color. Not ideal for parties. If you are the type that love bold party makeup look, yeah, this is not for you. Like your everyday neutral eyes, yeah, this is it. You can see one swatch, look how pigmented that is. This is the highlighter palette, so let me do some swatching. Wow, look at that. And the sixth one, let me clean my hand. So the sixth one is this one right here. Whoa, look at the highlighter, you guys. So yeah, I love it. So let's move on to the lipsticks. Let's swatch the lipstick. So yeah, I've got Josette, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And here is what it looks like. Can you see that? Belly is like a nude pink. Yeah. I've got Amber. Amber is like I don't know, like it's also nude, but I'm bad when it comes to color, you guys. So it's like a wine color. I love wine colors. Wine color is one of my favorite color. So here I've got Violet, is a purple color. Yeah, here is Violet. So here is Angeline. So Angeline and Amber kind of look the same. Yeah, they're actually the same color, but Angeline has a bit of shade to it, while Amber it's matte. Isabella, oh my god, I love this name. Isabella, it's a red matte lippy. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 mattes. The last lippy I got is Coco. Oh my god, I love this name. So Coco is like a brownish color. Yeah, these are the swatches for the lippy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please guys, ignore my nails. Ignore my nails. So yes, let's move on to the liquid lippy. So yeah, I've got Ella, and Ella is a pink color. This is too pink, and they both look the same but a little bit different. Yeah, this is what Ella looks like. I've got Rose. Rose is another pink color, but it's a bit light compared to Ella. Ella is on the dark side of pink, while Rose is on the light side of pink. So here we've got Colette, and this is what Colette looks like. Colette is a brown color. We got Clara. I love that name. Yeah, here is Clara. We've got Chloe, and this is what Chloe looks like. We've got Jolie. Wow, all these lippies names are so cute. This is Jolie, 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 Jolie. Yes, Bijou. I don't know if I pronounced that right. That's Bijou right there. And here we've got Juliette. Juliette. So I think that some of the names French names because it's a French company. Gillette Papier. Here we've got Rouge. Rouge is a deep red, like proper deep red. Rouge is a proper deep red. And here we've got Celine. Celine is another nude. So here we've got Fleur. Here is Fleur. And Fleur is another nude pink. So we've got Clouding. Yes, Clouding. Clouding is another dark nude. Is it dark nude? My hand is aching, you guys. And the last one is Rocks. So Rocks is another pinkish type of red. These are all the lippies. I hope it's in focus. Gorgeous colors. They are so pigmented. Pigmented and gorgeous. So lovely. That's everything I was sent from some Marcel Cosmetics based in Paris. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks to Sir Marcel for sending me this product to do a review on. So this is actually like unboxing type of review. So I will, you know, properly do makeup using all these products. I'll do a makeup tutorial for you guys using these products. Let's talk about this company's packaging. The packaging is velvet. It's very lush. It's written luxurious in there, so it is exactly what it's written on the package. It can never be more luxurious than this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I've not bought any makeup with this type of packaging, so this packaging is A1. So I give it 100 over 100. And the colors, the lippies, the liquid lippies are so pigmented. The vibrant color really comes out vibrant. And yes, also the matte lippy also are dope. They are everything. The mascara, I love the mascara. Like I said, you lovelies, I will do a full face makeup using all these products so you guys can see what they look like when applying them and having them on. And yeah, that's everything I've got for you in this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload new video, you guys at home will be notified. And also smash that like button. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this product? What do you think about the packaging? You know, from the neutral eyeshadow palette to the highlighter to the matte lipstick to the liquid lipstick. What do you guys think? So let's talk about the shipping. The shipping took about 3 to 4 working days, which is not bad for international shipping. And this company, you know, it's honestly, I'm wowed when I opened the packaging, when I saw the velvet luxury packaging. I was gushed, like really, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. Smash that like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you guys want a discount code to get some little change off, you can leave it in the comment section below so I can contact the company to see if they can give me a discount code for you guys. And yes, I will see you in my next video. And also look out for the makeup tutorial using some Marcel Cosmetics only. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.
They really wanna hold me back, never see me really go.